Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you guys a tutorial on how to set a pattern as a lock screen on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, so without any further ado, let's get started the tutorial. Okay guys, so first thing first that I have to do is you can go to settings menu on your phone. Okay guys, and then here you can scroll down a little bit and you can go to password and security. So here guys, you can see that the lock screen password is just slide to unlock, and now I'm gonna change it to pattern guys. So you can click for it, and then here you can choose pattern. Okay guys, so now let's set the pattern guys. You can confirm for the second time and then click confirm. Click done. So yeah, now let's recheck together. Okay guys, the pattern has been set as a lock screen of this phone. Alright guys, so here's the tutorial on how to set a pattern as a lock screen for Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching.